Within the realm of household chores, laundry typically falls to the bottom of the preference scale. Yet, with the appropriate washing machine, this burden can notably diminish. In 2024, a multitude of choices abound, addressing various needs, be it capacity, smart features, or cost-effectiveness, ensuring a personalized solution for every laundry task. Here are the top 5 washing machines. 1. Best overall. AEG L9feb969c. The AEG L9feb969c transcends the realm of mere washing machines, emerging as a veritable laundry powerhouse renowned for its ability to conquer even the most formidable cleaning challenges while treating garments with utmost care, all without breaking the bank. Its exceptional performance earns it the esteemed title of the best overall washer in 2024. At the heart of its capabilities lies the innovative soft water technology, equipped with an integrated water softener that eliminates harsh minerals, allowing detergents to work more efficiently. This translates to superior stain removal and brighter clothes, all while conserving energy. Complementing its cleaning prowess is the Pro Steam technology, harnessing the power of steam to refresh garments and reduce wrinkles, simplifying ironing tasks. The AutoDose system takes precision to the next level by automatically dispensing the perfect amount of detergent, ensuring optimal cleaning without wastage. Silent drive motor technology ensures quiet operation, preserving household tranquility during laundry cycles. With an A+ energy rating and automatic load adjustment sensors, the AEG L9feb969c optimizes efficiency by tailoring water usage and cycle time for each wash. Featuring a generous 9 kg drum capacity, it's ideally suited for medium to large households. Optional smart connectivity enables remote control and monitoring via the My AEG Care app, adding another layer of convenience to an already impressive array of features. AEG L9feb969c seamlessly blends advanced technology, efficiency, and convenience, making it the ultimate laundry solution for discerning consumers in 2024. 2. Best Smart Washer. HISENSE WF5S1045BW. The HISENSE WF5S1045BW stands out as an enticing option for individuals seeking a washing machine that seamlessly blends smart functionality with a spacious capacity. Boasting a massive 10.5 kg drum capacity, this washer is perfect for large families or those who prefer fewer wash cycles for bulky items like comforters or bedspreads. Its integration with the HISENSE Connect Life app enables users to control their laundry routines remotely, from initiating wash cycles to monitoring progress and receiving notifications when the laundry is complete. Imagine starting a load of laundry on your way home from work, ensuring it's ready to be transferred to the dryer upon your arrival, all with a simple tap on your smartphone. Moreover, the WF5S1045BW features an autodosing detergent dispenser, eliminating the hassle of manual measurement and ensuring the optimal amount of detergent for each wash. Additionally, a variety of wash cycles cater to different laundry needs, ensuring a thorough clean for every item. With its combination of smart features, generous capacity, and convenient extras, the HISENSE WF5S1045BW offers an excellent laundry solution for busy households seeking efficiency and ease of use. 3. Best Large Capacity. INDESIT BW101685 SWAC. The INDESIT BW101685 SWAC washing machine isn't just another appliance in the laundry room, it's a titan among washers, built to tackle the Herculean tasks of large households and heavy-duty laundry days. With a colossal 10 kg drum capacity, this powerhouse promises to revolutionize your laundry routine, sparing you from the tedious chore of splitting hefty loads into multiple wash cycles. Designed with families and laundry-intensive lifestyles in mind, the INDESIT BW101685 SWAC stands as a beacon of efficiency and convenience. Bid farewell to the days of struggling to fit bulky items like comforters and sports gear into your washer. The spacious drum engulfs them with ease, ensuring a thorough clean without compromise. But capacity isn't the only ace up its sleeve. This machine boasts a suite of features tailored to enhance your laundry experience. From the time-saving push-and-go technology for quick refreshes to the intelligent Water Balance Plus system that optimizes water usage, every aspect of the INDESIT BW101685 SWAC is geared towards efficiency and performance. Yet, like any appliance, it's not one-size-fits-all. If cutting-edge smart features or top-tier energy efficiency are your priorities, you might want to explore other options. However, if conquering colossal laundry loads is your quest, then the INDESIT BW101685 reigns supreme, standing tall as the champion of capacity and convenience. 4. Best for efficiency, HOTPOINT NM11946 When it comes to appliance purchases, energy efficiency is a crucial factor, and washing machines are no exception. The HOTPOINT NM11946 stands tall in this regard with its remarkable A+++ energy rating. Let's delve deeper into how this washer ensures clean clothes without inflating your electricity bill. With its A+++ energy rating, the HOTPOINT NM11946 is a frontrunner in reducing energy consumption. This not only translates to substantial savings over time, but also reflects a conscious choice towards environmental sustainability. By opting for this washer, you're not only being frugal but also contributing to a greener future. What sets this washer apart is its array of efficiency features. From automatic load adjustment to eco-wash cycles, it's designed to optimize energy usage without compromising on performance. The inverter motor enhances efficiency while keeping noise levels down, ensuring a seamless laundry experience. Moreover, the HOTPOINT NM11946 doesn't skimp on functionality. With a variety of wash cycles, decent capacity, and user-friendly controls, it caters to diverse laundry needs while maintaining efficiency. HOTPOINT NM11946 offers the best of both worlds: clean clothes and cost savings. It's a testament to how innovation can align with sustainability, making everyday tasks not only efficient but also eco-friendly. 5. Best standard washer, INDESIT BW101638XWUKN. When tackling laundry, simplicity often reigns supreme, and the INDESIT BW101638XWUKN epitomizes this ethos perfectly. It's a no-nonsense washer that efficiently and effectively handles your laundry needs without unnecessary bells and whistles. With an 8 kg drum capacity, it strikes a sweet spot between size and practicality, catering to typical household loads without taking up excessive space. Its array of wash cycles ensures that whether you're dealing with delicate silks or stubborn stains on towels, your laundry emerges pristine every time. But perhaps the most compelling feature of the INDESIT BW101638XWUKN is its affordability. For budget-conscious consumers, it presents an enticing option that doesn't compromise on quality. Its straightforward design and absence of extravagant features result in a lower price tag, making it accessible to a broad spectrum of users. Yet, simplicity doesn't equate to inferior performance. While it may lack the latest technological marvels, the INDESIT BW101638XWUKN relies on a tried-and-tested wash system that delivers consistent cleaning power without unnecessary complexities. You're in the market for a reliable washing machine that offers solid performance without draining your wallet. The INDESIT BW101638XWUKN deserves serious consideration. It might not boast flashy extras, but for those who prioritize functionality and affordability, it's a compelling choice. In conclusion, 2024, finding the ideal washing machine can transform laundry from a hassle to a breeze. Whether you prioritize capacity, smart features, or budget-friendly efficiency, the perfect washer awaits. With options tailored to every need, conquering laundry day has never been more achievable. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content. Thank you.